Today you will learn how to keep proportions when scaling in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. You can see here I have a shape, text, a line and another line or bar. I have the selection tool selected, which you can grab here. You can see when I press and hold only the left click mouse button and drag the mouse, the shape will be scaled down from the specific side which I have selected. Let me undo this by pressing Ctrl Z and duplicate this shape by pressing Alt key on my keyboard. Now you can see the clear difference. The shape is look like stretched from top to bottom. Even you select this side, the shape will not keep proportions if you only use left click. Same happen with the text. Text look like a stretched text, which is not okay in your design project. If you resize a line by using this left mouse click, you can freely resize without limitation. You can also see this path is also scale up without keeping the proportion. So the solution is when you scale up or scale down any shape, press and hold the shift key also with the mouse left click. It will keep the proportion when scaling up or down in Adobe Illustrator. Even if you are scaling a text, you must use the shift key to keep the proportion right. You can see our text proportion remains same during scaling. In the case of a line, if you press and hold the shift key, you can see then we can only scale the line in horizontal, vertical or 45-degree angle. In the same way, you scale up or down a path and it will remain in the same proportion. One important thing, if you press the Alt key instead of Shift key, then you can see our shape will scale up or scale down around its center point. You can see our shape is scaling from all sides. If you also press and hold the Shift key, then our shape will keep proportion while scaling from all sides. So you can also press both Alt and Shift key at the same time. You can see same happen with the text. Our text is scaling from all sides. Even our line is scaling from both sides. And same with this path. Another important thing is if you go to Window and choose Transform, this Transform panel will appear. As you know, we have a specific width and height of this shape. Here is the exact value of width and height of our shape. You can change these values as you want. Even you can use plus, minus, divide and multiply options. You can see only the width has changed but height remains the same. If you want that, if we change only one value, width or height, the other value should change automatically. Then use this link icon, make sure it is clicked and showing like a link. Now you will see if I change this width value, height will change automatically according to proportions. Same happening with the text. As this horizontal line does not have a height, so only width will change. As I earlier say, we can also use multiply option. So our shape will increase 2 times bigger. One important thing you may notice is when we scale down this path, our line look very thick and gap does not show between these lines. While when we scale up this path, this gap is clearly seen between these lines. As you can see, there is no gap. Another issue you may notice is if I add stroke to this star shape. Let me change the stroke color. So you can see when I scale down this shape, you can see our shape is not showing correctly, while stroke is showing even more than our original shape. Same is happening with the text. If I scale up this shape, you can see now our shape is completely changed. The reason is the stroke of this shape remains the same when we scale up or down the shape, which is not okay. Our design is completely changing the appearance when scaling up or down this. This issue may happen when you completed your design, but when you scale down or scale up your design, the entire project will affect due to this issue. The solution is go to Edit menu and choose Preferences. Then General. Here check mark this option Scale Stroke and Effect. Click OK. Now you can see when we scale up or down this shape, the stroke is also changing. You can see the stroke value is changing. Let me reduce the stroke value. Now you can clearly see the stroke value is changing according to our shape. Same is happening with this path. The stroke will change according to our shape, and our design will not affect while resizing our shape. Another important thing is if you have a rounded rectangle like this. Now if I scale down this shape, you can see it is converted into a circle. To overcome this issue, go to Edit, Preferences, General, and choose this Scale Corners option. Now you can see the corners are also changing its value, while scaling up or down, and your shape will remain same. So you must check mark these both options mostly in your design projects. So I hope you have learned how to keep proportions when scaling in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.